completely robotic,
Right.
and 0 is completely human.
Yeah.
And I'll kind of ask you to do a kind of simple activity somewhere along that scale.
Yeah.
So we'll start off completely robotic. So what I want you to do in a moment is just look around the room, and when you look at the objects in the room, I want you to see them as a robot might interpret them. So think of them simply as data, and you're kind of almost like you're analysing the things in the room.
Like the Terminator.
Exactly. So you're looking at things and you're just kind of analysing them in the way that a robot would analyse them. Okay, I've been recording, so yeah. Okay, that's great. And now I want you to do the same thing, but I want you to kind of, you start at that 6, that completely robot, and then I want you to kind of transition until you get to completely human. So you'll start off and you're analysing everything in that robotic way, and then I think partway through, you're going to start seeing things, and they're no longer just data. You're going to react to them almost in an emotional way, the way a human might react to something. So really it's just to see that transition from that kind of robotic sort of behaviour, and then transitioning into that kind of human behaviour at the other end of the scale, when you're ready. Okay, that's great.
Sorry, I was doing a lot of flying.
No, that's fine. And now we're going to try your kind of morning routine. So you're going to get up. You can just sit down if you like. You don't have to lie down. It's completely up to you. If you want to lie down, you can lie down. But you get up and you're putting your kind of tie on, and you're sort of looking at yourself in the mirror. And we're going to start again at that 6. So kind of very robotic, very routine. Kind of emotionless, quite cold sort of behaviour. And when you're ready.
Try to stay in front of the camera.
No, it's fine. Emma's quite practical.
Start as if I've sat up in bed.
That's really great. And I'd like it if you could do the same thing, but this time, if you imagine that scale again, that's you at 6, that's completely robotic. Okay, somewhere in the middle now. So halfway between completely human and completely robotic. And it's the same kind of thing, but just kind of dial down that kind of robotic behaviour just a bit. So it's sort of in the middle, not quite human and not quite robotic.
Watch it,
Okay, so I think that's great. I might just